Hey everyone, welcome back to the Nicholas Nook. If you're new, my name is Jess, and today I will be unboxing and trying out for the very first time my Sonoline Fetal Doppler. So I'm currently 18 weeks, 1 day, and I have not used an at-home fetal Doppler at all before in my first pregnancy or in this pregnancy, so this is something completely new for me. But I did have a miscarriage before, and so having a fetal Doppler will hopefully give me some peace of mind this time around. Although I do know that I have to keep in mind that we may not find the heartbeat every single time or the first time because I don't know really what I'm doing yet. And depending on, where the placenta is and where the baby is and just how everything is kind of placed inside the uterus, I may or may not be able to hear baby's heartbeat, but I'm really hoping that I will be able to hear baby's heartbeat. And Chaz is actually going to come in just a few minutes and do this with me for the first time. I know that I just have to remember not to worry if we can't find the baby's heartbeat the first time, or if there are some times where we don't find it. I know like a lot of doctors don't recommend these because of that, because they don't want people to, just worry too much. However, if that does happen and we can't find the baby's heartbeat, I will wait a little bit and try again. And then if that doesn't work, I'll try tomorrow. And hopefully I can find baby's heartbeat sometime within the first few times that I try it. So first I wanted to show you guys which baby Doppler I went with. Now, this is not a sponsored video, and I will give you my honest opinion with everything, and I will link this one down below if you're interested. But this Sonoline B was a fetal Doppler that had a lot of great reviews, and I got it, I believe, in only 3 to 4 business days, which was awesome. So it came really, really fast, and I believe it was $49.95, which is cheaper than the ones on Amazon. Plus, the ones on Amazon that I was finding that are available right now are, not only are they $80, but they didn't have great reviews, and they weren't going to be able to get here until almost like the beginning of November, which I didn't want to wait that long. So I figured since I'm at 18 weeks, I should be able to pick up something in there. And so I did want something that would come fairly quickly. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this now and show you guys what's inside. All right, so when I first open it up, I have the manual or the directions. And then you can see here is the Doppler. So that's what that looks like. And then underneath, we have the ultrasound gel as well as the probe right next to it. And then this particular one does come with batteries. So for all of this, I got this for, I believe, $49.95. Like I said, if you are looking for one that has a lot of great reviews, I would highly suggest you go check this one out. They do have some other things on their website as well, but again, I have read a lot of great things about this particular one on different baby forums and just on their website. The reviews on there are amazing. So let's go ahead and put this together. All right, so it looks like I just plugged this into the bottom. This looks very easy. And then it looks like the batteries go back here. So I just pop that off. And put those in. All right, so that was really easy to put together. And then this ultrasound transmission gel is supposed to kind of amplify the sound on the Doppler. So before I start with this, I want to read the directions just to make sure I know what I'm doing. All right, so I'm gonna put a towel here just to make it easy to clean up. Lay down, Chief. Good boy. All right, so go ahead and turn it on. You have to hold it for a second.
Okay.
Okay.
It's on.
All right, and I'm gonna put a little bit of gel. Some people like to put it on that, and some people just put it on here. I feel like I'm gonna have to go pretty low. Is the volume all the way up? All right, can you hold that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You're gonna do it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. see if they can see the... You are
found it.
good! Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? It's too faint though. That was it. If it's a swooshing sound, that's the placenta though. They said angle it. You can angle it to find it. No, that's the placenta. I don't want to do it too long.
That's it.
Oh, that's up to 151. You think that's it?
That's not as swishy.
Okay, let's listen. I think that's good though. I think we heard it. You
Yeah.
think that was it?
Yeah, I think that was it. I mean, something's beating down there.
Yeah. So let us know what you guys think, or if you've done this at home before. Because I don't know. I've heard the placenta makes that swishing sound. And I know that you can also pick up your heartbeat, but that one got up to like 151, and I know these numbers aren't super accurate, but,
right. But
it
your
still
heart
has to
rate,
be the baby's heartbeat, right?
Yeah, your heart rate, you would be sweating if you had 151 heart rate.
Beats per minute.
Yeah, beats per minute.
I said beats per minute.
Yeah.
Beats per minute.
So it has to be the babies.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
All right, that
Cool.
was fun. All right, so that was fun. I think we're really gonna enjoy this. I don't wanna do it too often, maybe once a week or once every couple of weeks to keep me having a good feeling in between ultrasounds. Because we go between like 4 to 4.5 weeks between ultrasound appointments, and not all of them are even ultrasounds. It's nice just to have this at home so that, I don't know, I can just hear baby's heartbeat and know that baby is okay and doing well. So if you guys wanna check this out, again, I will have this particular one linked down below. And yeah, let us know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please give this a big thumbs up. And don't forget to click subscribe and the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. See you next time. Bye.